news that's real and real every time. Now, there are several boxing outlets saying that Ryan Garcia was apprehended last night. It's a sapsucker by the name of Ken Woods that works with Boxing 24 News that never gives us the news we can use. So let me tell you what happened. They say Ryan was arrested with a motorcycle helmet on, upstairs crashing into the couch at the Waldorf Astoria. They say the boy was bumping into shit throughout the hallway. So I'm gonna ask that sapsucker Ken Woods give us a real report. Is Ryan Garcia on everything but air and water?